Hello, it's Dodie, the digital granny from the head of the holler in the middle of nowhere, Kentucky. I had zero audience, little tech skills, and a budget so small I couldn't even afford a gallon of sweet tea. And yet here I am, and I'm making sales online. So stick with me because I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that I took, and you're not going to believe how simple this really is once you know where to start. First, you can't just make something pretty and hope that it sells. You'll learn the hard way if you try that. When you first get started, avoid just making random things like trackers and templates and hoping somebody will buy them. You'll only end up with a few dollars a month and you'll probably give up. You have to learn to flip the question from what do I want to make to what problem do I solve for the masses. Maybe just talk to 2 to 3 people who fit the description of who you want to reach and just ask them what they're struggling with. Just those simple conversations will give you your first real product idea. And the craziest part, once you've solved one problem for your audience, a lot of times they start telling you what they want next. So then your next product is practically handed to you. I'll show you how to plan a couple of those products so that they build on each other in just a second. For me, when I got started, I wanted to see a program in place. I am a visual learner and I wanted details before I committed. With my Freedom Blueprint, it's linked in my description. You'll get the step-by-step that I took to get into my side hustle that is earning me online income. Grab that Freedom Blueprint, click on the link, pop in your email, and within minutes, you'll have that information. So here's how to stop guessing and start making money online. A product ladder, it's just a fancy way of saying that your products build on each other like the rungs in a ladder. Start with a $10 printable to give folks a solution to a problem. Then you create a $50 workshop that goes deeper. And finally, you add a high-ticket bundle for people who want the full transformation. That way, you don't have to find a new customer every time. They come back for the next step because you have truly provided value and you solved a problem that they had. This one shift will take you from begging for sales to actually building repeat buyers. In a minute, I'm going to tell you the biggest mistake that beginners make that can waste months of work. You'll not want to miss this part. Now, this is where you quit working for free. People typically spend weeks creating, building, and uploading products that never sell. But you can avoid that by learning to pre-sell. Example, make a cover image and an outline of your product and offer it at a discount to early buyers. And promise a delivery time frame, say 2 weeks. This way you get pre-orders, which not only prove that it will sell, but you get feedback so that you can make a better product even before it launches to everyone else. When these first pre-orders come filing in, it will light a fire under you like nothing else. But the real magic comes after you build let me show you what to do next. That will turn those one-time buyers into your very own audience. Quick heads up, if you're someone who needs to see the whole strategy in action, be sure and grab my Freedom Blueprint. It's linked in my description. Pop in your email and you'll get every step that I followed into digital marketing. If you don't remember anything else, remember this. You need your own audience. If not, you'll be left to the mercy of the algorithms on the social platforms posting every day, hoping something goes viral, and most of the time they don't. You need to create a freebie, a simple checklist that solves a tiny problem, and use it to collect the emails of your audience. Then you'll have a warm group of people to tell about your next product launch, no algorithm required. And this is how you'll make your first online income without a great following and without ever going viral. Now stick around because I'm going to show you how you can sell your products if you don't want to fool with building a website. Because you don't have to spend thousands or be a tech wizard to get started. There are a couple of main ways to sell. There are marketplaces like Etsy, or you can build your own website. Now, marketplaces are great for beginners because they already have traffic. Your own site gives you control and allows you to grow long term. You can start with the marketplace to get sales fast and then move on to websites later on. This two-step approach will help you to start earning a little faster and keep you from getting stuck on the tech side of things. There you have it. Simple steps to help you build a profitable digital product side hustle from scratch with no following, no fancy gear, and no extra money. So tell me, if you could make just one digital product this month, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. I would love to cheer you on as you start your digital journey. And remember, if this granny from the holler in Kentucky can do it, then so can you. Now that you've learned how to get started with a little following, I would love to tell you about the 3 best side hustles today. Click here, and I'll see you in the next video.